So, hello, ladies and gents, this is your host, CA Dost. So, today I'll be making my vision board with you. I wanted to make a 2025 vision board, so I thought let's make a video on this. And it's been more than 10 days since I have uploaded something because it's too cold out there and I hate winters. So it's my very first time that I'll be making vision board in 2024. I might have achieved many things, but I only remember 2 to 3 things. So I was like, let's make a vision board, as well as it will help me to specify my goals, that these are the things that I want to achieve in 2025. So I have divided my goals into 4 things. First is career wise, second is personal development, third is recognition, and fourth is innovation and creativity. So in first, career, like what I want to do professionally, like in which firm I want to do my articleship, and in what field I want my articleship to be, and lots of other things. And then comes personal, like I want to start meditating, I want to wake up early in the morning. These things for personal development. Health ways you can take it, educational ways you can also take it. And then comes the recognition, like till the end of year, how much I should be consistent in this YouTube journey and Instagram as well. And the fourth thing comes creativity and innovation. I want like my videos to be innovative and creative in every aspect as much as it can be. So I'll be making vision board with you. There I have a few photos. I have 65. I had 65 photos, but I shortlisted some. Like this is for career, like this. That's how I want to do my work. For in taxation, I want my articleship, this work trip. I also want to try something new, that's teaching. So I'll try. Let's see. The firm that I want my articleship, and my influencer journey. I don't say like I'm influencer, but I'll say that I'm making these videos for fun, because I like to make videos. And second is this for personal development. This is for I want to go on trips, nature related things. Then waking up early, or you can say walk in the morning. Then trips with friends, helping people. Then writing something. Then puja, of course. Then waking up early. Then public speaking. Then I really want to learn horse riding. Then reading newspaper, meditation, and I want to learn classical dance. So here is Nataraj Devta's photo, and there's Ghungru in there, and I love this picture. So I thought this will work out. And next is recognition. No. It's creativity. Okay, it's for videos only. My study thing, I think that in this year or next year I'll start podcasts. And this is travel journal, or you can say. And things that I want to buy. I am a huge fan of perfumes, so I want perfumes. Then we'll see, like MacBook I'll buy. Let's see. And then there's some things that I want to. Then deals. Then YouTube thing. And then gold, of course. I don't love gold, but okay. Then bank balance. Then subscriber things. And there are some quotes that I'll be using. Like 2025 is my year. My family is happy and healthy. I'm so lucky. Protect your peace. I'm consistent, disciplined, and committed to my goals. Stay focused. And these are the things. Okay. So let's start making. So now let's start making my vision board. It's the board you can see. It costed me just 250. Only 250. So let's start. I'll have to put the phone here. So first of all, I'll be pasting these pictures that are related to my career. First is this thing, so I'll be cutting the things. Some of my neighbors were asking, what are you doing? I said I'm recording the video. It's been more than 10 days. I have not recorded anything. बोल तो मैं ऐसे रही थी कि 10 दिन से ज़्यादा हो गए, बट मैंने वीडियो रिकॉर्ड में लाइक आई हैव millions of followers and my fans are waiting out there for this. So these things are for my career. So let's see how to adjust these things because I have cut it in different shapes. So I'll be using these tapes and these tapes. These I'll be using for the photos that I'm pasting for the first time. Then for quotes and all I'll be using these tapes. So career part is done. Only text is left that I'll paste later. Double tape is a jerk in its own. It's too hard for me to cut it. I love nature a lot, so this is something I want to visit, something like in forest or all. I didn't check the camera and battery ran out, so I put another battery over there. So here I am again right now. So let's start the things again. Okay, I'm halfway done now. Only 2 things are left, that is creativity and recognition. So let's start with the creativity. So that's the end of today's video. That's my vision board. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching the video till the end. From your host, CA Dost.